I built an entire online business on Instagram using ChatGPT in just 24 hours. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I built a product from scratch using ChatGPT, how I sold the product, and how much money I made during this challenge. I'm also gonna be giving away this entire business that I built to one lucky subscriber. And all you gotta do to enter the giveaway is to simply count how many times this ChatGPT logo appeared during the video and comment the exact number down below. The first person who comments down the right answer will win the entire business I built during this challenge. Alright, so what is the first thing we need to start any online business? Well, we need to come up with a product or a service. And since I only have 24 hours to make this work, I'm definitely not going to be making a physical product. Instead, I'm going to go with digital product. So let's use ChatGPT to know what is the best digital product you can sell. Alright, so I'm definitely not going to be making a software product since I only have 24 hours. But you know what? I always want to try out selling Notion templates. Some of you might not know this, but selling Notion templates is a serious business. People are literally making 6 figures per year building these digital brands selling Notion templates, and they don't even show their faces. So let's build a best Notion template in the world and market that template using Instagram. Alright, so what are the best Notion templates to sell in 2023? So by doing some research, I came up with an idea. You know what? I'm big on goal setting. Actually, in the past few years, I came up with my own system to set goals for myself and to actually achieve them. I feel like people really do struggle when setting their goals and actually having clarity on what type of goals to set in the first place. Goal setting planner. Yes, this is my Notion template idea. All right, ChatGPT, please design 20 different brand names. Notion Blondes. Alright, I like this one. Whenever you're building anything online, make sure to pick a name that is sticky and easy to remember. Alright, so before I start any new project, I always like to outline the steps I need to do before launching it. The reason I decided to use Instagram as a marketing tool for this project is because we only have 24 hours and Reels are literally the best way to get traffic fast. How lucky I am that Notion Blonde username was available. Can you help me to create a Notion template that helps people to set the right goals for themselves? Alright, now I'm a little bit terrified. You can literally build any template you want using ChatGPT if you have an idea for the template, of course. You just gotta know what to ask. And it literally gives you straightforward instructions on how to build it. After 2.5 hours, we are ready to conquer the world. Clarity Journal, the ultimate goal setting planner.
Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything.
Alright, you know what? It can really write a good copy. I'm gonna be using Gumroad to sell this template, by the way. It's pretty easy to set up and you don't need to worry about connecting any other payment processors to collect your payments. Alright, after doing some research, I priced my template for $9.95 and I think we're ready to make some sales. I also hope you've been counting those ChatGPT logos till now.
Look at that. They told me that I wasn't going to make it. Look at that.
Design 10 different Instagram bios for a page that sells a goal-setting Notion template. Alright, I definitely dig with some of these bios, but they definitely need some modifications. After a long brainstorming session, I came up with a perfect Instagram bio. The blonde Notion girl, looking to set and achieve your goals like a pro? Grab an ultimate goal setting planner. Alright, we're almost ready to launch our first video. Go viral, become rich, escape the matrix.
You cannot quit, you cannot give up, you need that momentum to break free.
But I think we're missing something. Can you design a profile picture? A blonde girl that sells Notion templates online, a digital creator. Alright guys, this is insane. I think I'm gonna go with this one. The tool I've used for this, by the way, is called Photor.com. They can literally design you pictures from your text. And they can also turn you into animated AI generated picture. And just like that, our Instagram page is ready for some content. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you a trick that nobody else is showing you and nobody else is teaching you. And this is how you can come up with viral content ideas, especially short form content ideas on Instagram.
Knowledge
First, all you gotta do is to find people in your niche. In this case, I'm gonna find people who are selling Notion templates. One of these guys that came to my mind is Eslo. This guy is crushing it, by the way. And what I would do is I would go through his recent posts and I would take 5 to 10 videos that performed the best for him in the past 3 months. After you find those videos, I would start remaking those videos tailored towards my product that I'm looking to sell. So for example, in this video, he shows how to use Notion. So what I can do is I can use the same video concept and I can just show people how to set the right goals for yourself and then plug my Notion template, aka Clarity Journal, in the video and in the caption and lead people to buy that product, which is already plugged in my bio, by the way. So after hours of research, scripting, recording, and editing, I came up with a masterpiece. Alright, so I uploaded that video and after a few hours, my Gumroad notifications just blew up. I was getting sale after sale after sale. In total, I made 100K that day. You see, it's pretty easy, right?
We spend like 50 grand on ads and make like 130,000 back in the same day.
And also left my course link down. All right, so this is not what happened. Obviously, it's very rare to go viral with your first reel on Instagram. And that's not what happened with me either. But after posting several videos, I managed to get some views and some followers. So in 24 hours, I came up with a product idea. I built a product. I created an Instagram page for it. I created and published it first few videos. So how much money I made? Well, after publishing first few videos, I went to sleep and I woke up next morning, checked my email as I usually do, and I see notifications from Gumroad. You made a sale. So in total, I made 2 sales, which means I made about $15 after all Gumroad fees. For a brand new project, that is insanely good results. And thanks to ChatGPT AI, I was able to launch this project in less than 24 hours. And just like that, guys, we made another sale for the template. Passive income, baby. If you think about it, it's crazy, right? You can literally launch something today and already be making profit the same day. And with the power of ChatGPT and all other AI tools that we have here, now we can be 10 times more productive and launch something 10 times faster. I hope you guys counted how many times you saw this ChatGPT logo appear during the video, because I feel like giving away this business that I built during this video is gonna be a really great springboard for somebody that wants to start something online. So be sure to leave the exact number in the comments down below. And thank you for watching.